Close that. Close Docker. Close Java. Close Flux. Nope. Put Flux back in. Flux. Cool. So close this thing and keep that. So what we're gonna do today is so yesterday I was trying to fix the issue that when I don't like this echo. Okay, whatever. Properties just off. Okay, so I just have my regular voice, so I'm not actually hearing it. So yesterday I was trying to fix the issue where any of my Stripe users would be charged twice, but the way I fixed that was, so currently I'm trying to do a job in EventBridge, in AWS EventBridge. It's sending me a daily job at basically 12 o'clock UTC time, which is like 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock Eastern time. And it was sending it, but it was posting it twice, so I didn't want that. And so the issue that I was having was, so yesterday, every single time if I ran it in every minute consecutively, it would always work and wouldn't retry. But the reason probably because of that was because the server wasn't cold, so it still had the serverless function running. So today I'm going to, so I switched it and I put it for daily. So I put it for the correct time that it's supposed to charge. And one second, I put it for the correct time it was supposed to charge, and it seems like it worked. Let me put this up. Boom, 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 boom. JavaScript, can you guys see this? No. Why can't you see this? Why can't you guys see this? Okay, that's weird. Do I have two things open? No. Okay, so so my head is kind of blocking it a bit, but basically I still get the 2 requests, but I only get 1 successful request back. So that's how I want it, and that's how it should be. So it's not going to double charge users. It should only charge once. So right now I'm just trying to, okay, so if you can see right here, charge 12:00 p.m. So this is probably UTC time. So So I have to, okay, so I somewhat fixed that issue. So let's see. So right now the issue, check review your functionality for getting members that did not log in or committed. So test AWS daily job. So that's part is somewhat done. The next part that I'm working on, so test the AWS job, that is, I have to test it a little bit further, but for this part, this is just a daily job. So if we're just gonna consider it just a daily job, let's see, test, let's see, test possible edge cases for AWS event bridge daily job, and I'm going to clarify it later, and that's kind of going to be in the, well, no, that's not going to be in someday. That's going to be how long will this take me? Let's see, clarify, high focus, it's gonna be I don't really know, probably like 2 hours, because I don't really know, but I will do think of adding some type features, think of, okay, add, okay, so let's do fixed payment status redirect for development. Okay, so let's put that into doing, and then we're going to, okay, so let's work on this today. I wrote 30 minutes, but it's probably not going to take that long for me to do. So for that part, the issue that I have with that is, let me go, so you guys can actually see this page, and if you want to test it as well, and if you find something, just let me know. Or if you have questions on things, I'll try to help you out. Or if you have a feedback or suggestions for me, that's I'm always looking for feedback. Always trying to get better. So this is the page. I'm gonna put a link in the chat. How do I do that? I just started streaming back again because I stopped because I thought my computer couldn't handle it, but it seems like it works because I bought a Dell. I'm not gonna complain about it. I'm trying to complain a little bit less. Actually, I'll probably just say this part. Bought a Dell, fan issue. It's giving me fan issues with the Dell XPS. Makes me not want to buy a Dell again. Expensive Dell. Probably gonna switch over to Mac eventually. Anyway, so this is a site that I'm working on. This is the development site. The actual site is here. I'll probably send that as well in the chat. Here. So this is the actual site. Development site is this. So what I'm doing is, so the feature that I'm working on is basically, so this should already work. I'm trying to see maybe if I put this in a CMS somewhere. So I'm gonna write that down. These aren't things, this is gonna be like a maybe later. Think about using a CMS for your static, it's not really static, but for your I'll write static because it's a little easier for me to, for your resources content. Okay, think about using CSS, and then a note for me for the content of your resources. Yeah, that's fine. And I'll write Japanese resources. So, and then one that I saw yesterday, so I don't forget. And then if you guys are wondering what app I'm using, I'm gonna put this in the chat as well. This app is pretty good. It uses a methodology called GTD, get things done. It's basically helps you clarify like what you have to do or what you should do. But this app is pretty good. It helps me out. Like if I have an idea, like this is an idea that I'm gonna do in the future, I kind of just capture it and then eventually I'll deal with it. Maybe I do it, maybe I don't. One CMS that I liked yesterday was, so I heard about Strappy. So what was the one CMS? Maybe here. Did I save it? I'm trying to save my bookmarks a little bit more. Boom boom boom. I saw, which is the one that I saw? This isn't the one. It was something with GraphQL. CMS with Graph. I watched the video about it. Maybe I could search my video history. Sure. Let's see. History. Let's see. This is blah 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 blah. Monday? No. When did I watch this? Blah 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 blah. Maybe. It might not be here because I didn't actually click it. This one? No. Okay, whatever. So, but I am gonna try to find that because CMS GraphQL Prisma. That's what it is. Okay. CMS Prisma Keystone. This is the one. Doesn't mean I'm gonna use this, but this one seemed pretty cool. I'll put that in the chat if anyone wants to look at that as well. But let's see. So let's put this here, and then doesn't mean I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna put I'll clarify later. Cool. Okay, let's go back to what we're doing. So right now it's 10:18. So let's work on this. Fix payment status, redirect for. Okay, so let's do that. So let's close this. Okay, so we are working on, what are we working on? Okay, so payment status. So let me start with, so I initially start here. Then initially start here. Then, okay, so then I have the Stripe input. The Stripe input is this guy here. My computer's going slow now. Okay, so this console log, I have to eventually delete this, but computer. Okay, my computer kind of came back. No, it's still going slow. Okay, so where does it redirect for payment status? So let me maybe I could search for payment status. Not this one. So let me search with this one. Payment status. So payment status. Okay, so this is the issue here. So redirect URL if I just put this, I wonder if this will work. Redirect, because I don't know if it wants to have the full URL. So this is, let me see. So this is with Stripe. Let's see. Let's copy this. Let's go here. Let's copy this. I'll show you my browser. I'm having issues with these. Okay, so what we're gonna search is this. I just want to see if it wants the full URL or if I could just give it the path. Pretty sure I could just give it the path. Oh, actually, no. For this one, I don't think I could give it the path. So then if I can't give it the path, then I'm gonna have to somehow get the current URL or the current URL root and then put that in here. Computer is being slow. Okay, so what is this? No such setup. Localhost. Let's see what the JS docs have to say. Let's see. Let's find return. Find not working. Let's wait. Okay, so I don't. Oh, why did I do that? So my computer is being slow. I'm probably gonna say that a whole bunch of times. Okay, so let's see. So if I type return URL, okay, so return URL, okay. Return URL, confirm parameters, okay. Okay, so what does this say? Use Stripe confirm payment to collect payment intent. Okay, so it seems like, yeah, more than likely I probably can't do path. So let me see. Let's do Next.js get current URL. We'll do that, but I don't think. get the path, get URL path name in Next.js. So let's get these two. Oh, I have to close some things. Close this. Close this. Close this. This I could close. This I could close. Close this. Close this. Close this. Close this. Close this. Close this. So this is my site, but I'm gonna close that for now. Event bridge. Okay, so use route if you want to access the route object inside any function component in your app. You can use. Okay, so I should be able to use it here. If you want to access the router object inside any function component in your app, if you use the use router hook, take a look at the following example. Okay. Router as path equals href red. Okay. So path name current route. Okay. Let's see. Push. Next.js, let's see what this has to say. Without the configured base path or locales. Base path. If base path is enabled. Okay. Base path. To deploy an Next.js application under subpath of domain, you could use docs dot. I'm trying to get the root path. And how would I do that? Let's see, get URL path name. Path name. You can use as path, including the credential without the configured base path. So, how do we get current? Full. Okay. Get base path. Base path, get the URL or host name. Let's see what this says. Another host name. So use router, route that base path. Absolute URL. Consider this package. if you deploy Next.js API with node, if you're running, import absolute URL from Next absolute URL. Okay, so const origin absolute URL rec. Host window.host ZOG beta. Maybe you want the full URL. Okay, so let's see, what does this package do? I didn't really want to import a package just for this, so where is it getting a request? If you deploy your Next.js, that would now they will be something like so origin let's see if you conquer that. So let's see, check for saved versions, not found. Okay, so SMS4. How old is this? This is 2 years old. Right. Base path support. But when they say base path, I don't know if it's the same thing as like an origin or like the root path, which is what I'm trying to find. This is not what I want. Let's see. Setup form. Let's do something. Let me just test what it's giving me. So let's just look for, let me create a new page. So in this page, let's see. Let's see if you guys could see this. I wonder if you guys could see me opening this. So I have an extension that allows me to create like next pages pretty quickly. So create next page. Yes. So create next page is going to be router test.tsx. I don't know if I have to put that. No, I think so. I'm gonna put it anyway. So router test.tsx. Oh, okay, no. So let's rename this. Rename. Okay. So router test.tsx. Const router.test.tsx. Router test. So let's erase this. Erase this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually see what the path is giving us. So let's see. So next router. So let's download this. Let's console log it. Let's check it out. Let me see if I have to. Probably have to start my dev server. Okay, so let's do that. Boom, 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 boom. So I'm just trying to check. I'm trying to get the root path of the origin path. Let's see. I just want, so use router. Let's put this in here. Let's start the server, because I hope this doesn't slow it down. It's probably gonna slow it down. Okay, so in here we're going to call this, and then let's just console log what's in there. Console.log router. Okay, so I have that saved. Let's see if the router object in Next actually gives me the origin path. If it gives me the origin path, I'll just do that and it should work. I can also do other things where if it's develop, like in the environmental variables, if it's development, then set the path to development. But I could do that, but I didn't really want to do that. But if that's like a quick way to fix it, but this way is probably a little better. Oh, it's taking long to save. My computer's probably gonna be frozen. Let me see if my browser works. Let's see. Let's see. No, so this is the issue here. Well, not the issue, but so I have to. I'm trying to get this to work on development and eventually production, but if I want to fix it quickly and I'm just gonna test on dev, I could just do the environmental variable thing. But I thought Next router would give me the origin URL, but it doesn't seem like it's going to do that. But let's just check. So it definitely gives me a path name, but I want the path name without, I want the origin path. So let's see, using router. Okay, still starting up. If anyone knows a good solution for this, you can just let me know and I'll see if I do that. So path name, usage, this computer, prefetch. What, this method is only useful. Oh, I didn't know that actually. Next.link takes care of prefetching pages. Huh. I'm going to see. I am going to go to the bathroom really quick, and then this should probably be up there when let me make this a little bit bigger. Oh no, you guys can see that. 1 second. Okay, so hmm. This still hasn't loaded. Damn. Okay. Then let me do something else while this loads. Just gonna check my emails really quick. Yeah, and if this doesn't load, I probably have to stop streaming because if it's gonna take this long, then I have to stop it. Ugh, my Gmail is being slow. Everything is being slow. So Google Calendar. It's going slow. What is this?